Heading to an undisclosed location, doing something for the channel. Sit back and enjoy, I guess. Cheers. Well, old one's out. Maybe I should leave it like that, eh? Straight piped. The old one and the new one. Exhaust hangers. They're exhausting. Just a bit of cleanup on the face I cut, and obviously you don't want to hear me grinding away on steel because that'd be quite annoying on a video. I am getting way too old to be crawling under cars anymore, I think that's it now. When you get to a certain age, things just don't work out. They used to work out now. Always worth double checking your bolts. I mean, if you give it enough ugger-duggers, I'm sure it should be okay. Checked. Bloody mechanics getting shit dirty.